Question number 6. Question number 6. In the question number 6, you have given a triangle ABC. You have given the coordinates of A as 4, 6, B as 1, 5, and C as 7, 2. And here we have D and E. Coordinates of these D and E, you have to find. Here you can see that you have given the ratio AD upon AB is your 1 by 4, that is 1:4. Here, yes, listen to me, bache, carefully. In the previous classes, whenever the ratio is given, like I'm giving you one example, suppose the ratio of the age of two person is 2:3. If the age of if the ages are given in the ratio, then how you will remove the ratio? Let the age of the two person be 2x and 3x. ऐसे ही करते थे previous classes में. So ratio can't be removed directly. You have to introduce a constant. You have to introduce a variable. So here in the similar manner, you have given AD upon AB as 1 by 4. Here AD is your, we are removing the ratio. So I'm writing here AD is your 1K and AB is your 4K. Is it okay, beta? After removing the ratio, I have written them with the variable K. I have used variable K. If you want to use X, you can. Now in this, you can see that AD is given as 1K and this complete line is given as 4K. So can we say that BD is given by, can we write BD as AB minus AD? Can we write AB minus AD? AB is your 4K, AD is your 1K. So this will give you 3K. So I've got the value of BD as 3K. Now if we want to find the ratio of these two parts, AD upon BD, so can we write it like this? AD upon BD, the value of AD is 1K. The value of BD you have got just now is your 3K. So after cancelling your variable K, you will get the ratio. After cancelling this K, you will get 1 by 3. That means AD ratio AB is your 1:3. So I've got the ratio as 1:3. Any doubt, beta? So after getting this ratio, as you know that in case the ratio is given or you have to find the ratio, so you will use the section formula. So we will use a section formula to find the coordinate of this point D. So let's use the section formula to find the coordinates. So for this, firstly you will write, I'm writing the ratio 1:3. So firstly you will write the section formula. If the ratio is given, then you will use a section formula that involve M1, M2. And the ratio, if the ratio is to be found, then you will use the formula that involve K ratio 1. So let's write the formula M1x2 plus M2x1 upon M1 plus M2, M1y2 plus M2y1 upon M1 plus M2. Now use the formula to find the coordinate of D. So I'm just directly writing coordinate of D will be your, this is your M1, M2, this is your X1, Y1, this is your X2, Y2. So let's put the values directly here. I'm writing 1 into 1 plus 3 into 4 upon 1 plus 3. The next is 1 into 5 plus 3 into 6 upon 1 plus 3. So this is your 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. And the next is your 18 plus 5, that is 23 by 4. So in this manner, I've got the coordinates of D. In the similar way, we can get the coordinate of E also by using the same section formula with the ratio 1:3. So I'm writing the coordinates of E will be given by the same formula. Now in this case, it is your x1, y1, this is your x2, y2, and the ratio m1 ratio m2 is same, that is 1:3. So I'm writing here 1 into 7 plus 3 into 4 upon 1 plus 3. And the next is 1 into 2 plus 3 into 6 upon 1 plus 3. Now solve this. What you will get? 12 plus 7, 19 by 4. And in this you will get 18 plus 2 is 20 by 4. After cancelling this term, you will get the coordinate of E as 19 by 4 and 5. So in this, we have finished with the getting the coordinate of D and E. In question number 7, beta, you have given a triangle ABC whose coordinates are A 4, 2, B 6, 5 and C 1, 4 are the vertices of the triangle, and here in this you have given a median AD. If AD is the median, then in the previous classes we have discussed the theorems that are related to the median, that the median of the triangle always divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area. That means if the AD is median, then the area of these two triangles must be equal, but the area topic is not there in the syllabus. So leave this concept, apply the next concept related to the median. And if AD is the median, then D must be dividing this complete line BC into two equal parts. That means D must be the midpoint of the side BC. AD is the median. But we are discussing first part. AD is the median. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC. So can we use here midpoint formula to find the coordinate of D? So let's apply the midpoint formula. Firstly, you will write here midpoint formula, that is your x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So let's find the coordinate of D by the same formula. So D will be the midpoint of these 2 points B and C. So let's add them. This will give you 6 plus 1 by 2 and 5 plus 4 by 2. So this will give you 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. So I've got the midpoint of BC, that is D, that is given by 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. This is your first part. Now, in the second part, it is given that if this median is divided by the point P on this line, then find the coordinate of D, as it is given that this P is dividing the complete line in the ratio 2:1. So in the second part, you have given that AP ratio PD is 2:1, that is given in the question. Now you have to find the coordinate of P by applying the section formula. As you already know that whenever the ratio is given, you have to use the section formula. So let's write the section formula here. So section formula you will write here m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and the next is your m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So from this we will get the coordinate of P by applying the section formula on this AD. Here A is your x1 y1, B is your x2 y2, and the ratio is 2:1. Now use this formula. So 2 will be multiplied with 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 upon sum of ratio, that is m1 m2. So this will give you 2 plus 1. So in the similar manner, you will get y coordinate by writing this term, use the term numbers on this coordinate and put the values here. This will give you upon 2 plus 1. So from here 2 will be cancelled out. 2 plus 4, 7 plus 4 is your 11 by 3. In the similar manner, you will get 11 by 3 here. So in this we have got the coordinate of P by applying the section formula on AD. Yes, look here beta. In the third part, you have given B, E is the median, and on this we are having a point Q. that is dividing this BE in the ratio 2:1. So it is a similar case as we have done in the first and the second part. So we will proceed same. Now we will write here BE is the median. So E is the midpoint of your AC. Now by midpoint formula, let's find the coordinate of this point E. So let's find the coordinate. So that you will get by adding these 2 points. This is 4 plus 1 by 2 and 2 plus 4 by 2. So this will give you the coordinate of E. Now this is 5 by 2 and this is your 3. After getting the coordinate of E, let's find the coordinate of this Q by the section formula. So let's use the section formula to find the coordinate of this point Q. So coordinate of Q will be given. This point is your 5 by 2 and 3. Let's find the coordinate of Q by applying the section formula with the ratio 2:1. So 2 multiplied by 5 by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 6 upon 2 plus 1, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 5 upon 2 plus 1. So this will give you this 2 will cancel out. This is 6 plus 5, 11 by 3. In the same manner, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5 is 11 by 3. As you can see that in the previous second part, we have also got the coordinate of P as same as this 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. You will see that CF is the median. This is again third part. Still third part is continuing. CF is the median. F is the midpoint of AB. So let's find the coordinate of F by using the same formula 4 plus 6 by 2 and 5 plus 2 by 2. That will give you 5, 7 by 2. So I've got the coordinate of F. Now apply the section formula on this C and F and get the value of this R with the ratio 2:1. So this is your 5, 7 by 2. Now apply section formula on R. Find the coordinate of R by using the section formula. This is 2 into 5 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Next is your 2 into 4. Sorry, 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 upon 2 plus 1. Now this will give you 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 3. And this is again same, this is 11 by 3. So in this manner, you can see that coordinate of P, Q and R all are same. Coordinates of P, Q and R all are same. Therefore, 11 by 3 and 11 by 3 is the centroid. Is the centroid of triangle. Okay, centroid is the point that divides the median, in the ratio 2:1, and centroid is the point where all the medians of the triangle intersect each other. Which is 7th question, 5th part. In the 5th part, you have given a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And here in this question, you will find the coordinate of this centroid. Centroid is a point where all the medians intersect each other, and this centroid divides each of the median in the ratio 2:1. So let's find the coordinate of this point P, that is known as centroid. So for this, let's begin with the same procedure as we have done the first, second and fourth part of the same question. So firstly, you will say that if AD is the median, AD is the median, therefore D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint. Let's use the distance midpoint formula to find the coordinate of this D. How you will find the coordinate of D? By adding these coordinates. That will give you x2 plus x3 by 2. And this is your y2 plus y3 by 2. Any doubt, beta? But in the previous part, coordinates are given in the number, but in this question, the coordinates are given in the form of x1, y1, x2, y2. So you will not be able to solve it. You will just directly write it by applying the formula after. Like this, you will get. So we have got the coordinates of D. I'm writing here x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. So now let's find the coordinate of P by using the section formula with the ratio 2:1. So let's apply the section formula. Coordinate of P will be given by, I'm directly writing, coordinate of P will be obtained by the section formula that you will write in the bracket section formula. I'm not writing, because you will always write the formula. Before proceeding, you have to write the formula. Otherwise, there will be deduction of marks. So the coordinate of P, this 2 will be multiplied with the first coordinate plus 1 will be multiplied with the first coordinate upon ratio 2:1. So this is your x coordinate. So I'm writing the y coordinate here. Y coordinate will be 2 multiplied by y2 plus y3 upon 2 plus 1 multiplied by y1 upon 2 plus 1. Any doubt, beta? So I have just applied the section formula on this A and D, taking the ratio 2:1. So this is your x1, y1, this is your x2, y2. I have just simply put the value in the formula. This 2 will cancel out. This will give you x2 plus x3 plus x1 by 3, and 2 will cancel out. You will write y2 plus y3 plus y1 upon 3. So, bache, we have got the coordinate of P by applying the formula. If you draw another median BE and give it name Q, then surely you will get the same coordinate for Q also. So in this manner, we will write at the end, the centroid is given by the formula this. So this is your standard formula that you can use in any of the questions where you have to find the centroid or any of the coordinate is missing and the centroid is given.